Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make some hot cocoa cookies for Santa. These are all the ingredients that we need. I will link, or not link, but I'll write everything in the description. You're going to need semi-sweetened chocolate chips and butter. And then you are going to stick it in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time and then just keep mixing it. You want the consistency to be like this. And you're going to set it aside and start on the rest. You're going to need a cup and a half of flour, and then you're going to need a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Then you're going to mix it till all the dry ingredients are nicely combined together like this. Then you're going to set it aside and you're going to start your wet ingredients, which is 1 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and then you're going to need 3 eggs. And you're going to mix it with a mixer, or if you want by hand with a whisk, but you're going to mix everything together. And then right here, I'm mixing in the dry ingredients. Technically, you're supposed to mix in the chocolate at this point before you mix the dry ingredients. This was my second batch, but I didn't notice a difference, so either way you can, it's all getting mixed together anyways. And then now I'm adding the chocolate, and then I'm just going to mix it all together again, and you just want to do it slowly. Then it will look like this. And then you're going to put saran wrap over the lid, and you're going to put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour. And this is how it's going to look. Then you just roll it into little balls. The size doesn't matter, it's just personal preference, and this is what it looks like. They're not really symmetrical, but it's okay. And you're going to stick them in the oven for 325 degrees and for about 11 minutes. Then we're going to start our glaze as the cookies are baking. You're going to need a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, a 1/4 cup of warm water, and then a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And then you're just going to mix everything together. And then this is what the glaze looks like. And if your glaze happens to come out thicker, you just add some more warm water and then it'll fix it. So now it's been 11 minutes and I take them out of the oven. And then you're going to use the big marshmallows and just cut them in half and then place them on all the cookies. And that's what it looks like. And then you're going to stick them back in the oven at the same temperature for an additional 3 minutes. And then we're going to take them out. You don't need to let them cool. You can just add the glaze, and the cookie and the glaze will just harden as the cookie starts to cool down. So you just drizzle as much as you want, a little, a lot. Some of them I drizzled a lot of chocolate, others I drizzled just a little bit. And then you want to add sprinkles. You can leave them with just the chocolate, or you can add any topping. We added these sprinkles to the cookies. And this is what they look like. They came out very delicious. Again, I will leave all the measurements and ingredients down in the description. I hope you enjoy.
Like and share.